Hello and welcome to the Techy Grandparent. I'm your host, Grandpa Tech, and today I'll be showing you how to connect to your home Wi-Fi network on a Windows PC. First, let's open the Wi-Fi settings on your computer. To do that, click on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Next, click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. From there, click on the Network and Internet option. In the Network and Internet settings, look for the Wi-Fi option on the left side menu and click on it. Now, you'll see a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Find the name of your home Wi-Fi network in the list and click on it. To connect to your home Wi-Fi network, click the Connect button. Good job! Now, you'll need to enter the password for your home Wi-Fi network. The password for your home Wi-Fi network is usually located on the bottom or back of your router. If you can't find it there, check the documentation that came with your router. Once you've entered the password, wait a moment for your computer to connect to the Wi-Fi network. You should see a notification that you're connected once it's done. And that's it. Now you know how to connect to your home Wi-Fi network on a Windows PC. If you have any questions or need any help, feel free to reach out to us here at the Techy Grandparent. We're always here to help you stay tech savvy. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that our videos are easy to find in the future.